Can we get on it? We get in the box.
You on it now?
What's your username?
S, the number 2, B. I'm telling you. S2B.media. Exactly. Say it. S2B.media. There you go. And so y'all know, if you have an Oculus, you can view this in VR. Yeah. So if you look at it on your Oculus, you can see it in VR. Yeah. It's 360. So you're gonna see it all. Like you was right there. Unfortunately, it sees everything. Hey, here's the thing. In life, you gotta work. Don't care who sees anything. It's your toes. Live with it. If they don't like it, oh well. That's the life. Oh well. They say, I don't like your toes. Say, oh well. Yeah. He said, okay.
I mean, it would be weird if they said, I like your toes anyway.
Yeah,
It would be
kinda.
better if they said, no, if they said, I don't like your toes.
It depends on who you saying it.
Like, when I pulled them out, everyone's jealous, she likes them. I literally saw her kiss them.
Oh, yeah.
She does it.
Huh? This channel is a new one. I do video games too, which is Uncle and them. So I got a couple of channels. So this is my new VR channel. So y'all gonna be some of the first ones that's on it.
So let's go look at the video when you post it.
Yeah. Huh?
I'm subscribing.
Yeah, I don't know. When you subscribe, you leave a comment and tell me. There you go. I told you.
S2B.media. S2B.media.
The S, letter S, the number 2, the letter B, dot media. MEDIA. There you go.
You know what's probably scaring people away out of that thing?
Huh?
Why are they like in the shopping mall like that?
Because people be so worried. It's over so fast, it's nothing to be scared of. It sees you without you doing it.
What?
It sees everything. I mean, everything.
So like a 360 radius, 60 area.
360 is a full circle.
Yeah.
So it sees everything. So once
Like everything
I
around, everything in front of it, everything beside it, and everything behind it.
so once I post it, you can put your Oculus on and you can look like this way and look up, look down, look everywhere. And see it. You have to follow S2B.media. You see what it is. It's gonna bring you all the fun rides. This is a new one. This is the VR channel. So this is our.
Do you have the display name? Is what's the display name or the like actual username?
Huh?
Is it the display name or the actual username?
The display and the username is the same. No?
No, the username is the first one you get. The display name, you can change that just about every 14 days on YouTube. And
But if you change it, it's the username and the display name is what looks how you look the person up. So for me, it's the same.
the school bus.